Hazard Light Kit is a smart connected device that helps keep workers safe by alerting drivers of upcoming activity on the road ahead. With this connected tech kit attached to your hazard lights, the active work zone location is transmitted to popular navigation apps like Waze and Google Maps to give a warning to approaching vehicles. You can track all of your connected devices through a convenient online secure portal. Just go to iconetraffic.com and enter your login details to access your dashboard. To view the location of your devices, click View My Icons. The map will refresh and display all of your devices. You can click on the icons on the map for more details about each device. To view devices that are no longer active, you can use the right sidebar panel and search Historical Data. The Icone portal gives you an easy way to always know where your devices are and where they've been. To learn more about the Connected Tech Hazard Light Kit and Icone portal, visit us online or contact a sales representative.